River Rails with another video today. It is Wednesday, June 15th, currently 5 p.m. on the dot, and I am headed south to Rochelle, Illinois, to the rail park. Reason being is I saw a lot of chatter online today and the rail cams that there's going to be a Union Pacific passenger car special OCS train out of Ogilvie Transportation Center headed westbound back to Iowa. So heard from a few good sources later on this afternoon that it actually was going to happen. So here I am. I got off of work at 4:30 p.m. headed down to Rochelle to see if we can catch it. Currently stuck in the rat race here. We're going through Rockford, Illinois now, during rush hour, of course, but I'm going to try my best to catch this train for you guys. Guys, Rock River Rails headed back north to Wisconsin on Interstate 39. And just a quick summary of the Union Pacific OCS train tonight. If I had to put it into words, I would just call that a wild goose chase, along with everyone on the roads tonight during rush hour. But yeah, we were able to catch it, luckily. Basically, as soon as I got into town there in Rochelle, I was going south on the Dement overpass that goes over the UP Geneva subdivision. So as I got to the top of the overpass, I looked eastbound down the tracks and saw some headlights. So basically at that point I knew the chase was going to be on. Just a matter of where I was going to catch this train tonight. So I figured I'd give it a shot and head to the rail park. Kind of worked out, kind of didn't. Basically, as I was approaching the rail park there, I got hung up at the Union Pacific gates, just shy of the park. So yeah, as soon as I heard the gates drop, I pretty much knew my train was there, and I had a decision to make. Am I going to record a video on my cell phone, or get the Canon out and try to get something decent? So luckily I was able to get the Canon powered on, lens cap off, no tripod obviously, because I shot the video out the car window, but looking at it from the playback on the camera screen, it looks pretty decent, so I would have been happy with that. but I wanted to get it set up and get something worthwhile. So at that point, decided to chase it west. I was pretty much running parallel with the train and matching the train speed. So I knew I had to step on it, get ahead of that thing. I was pacing the train probably about 55, 60 miles an hour. The winds are crazy tonight. Basically, when I was coming down to Rochelle, car was all over the place with the wind. Wind is brutal out of the south. Must have been 50 mile an hour gusts, if not 40 mile per hour winds sustained. They're getting some nasty storms up in central Wisconsin tonight. So nothing here, luckily, no rain whatsoever. But yeah, guys, so I was pacing that thing westbound, knew I had to get ahead of it. Found the crossing, basically the first crossing I could see, because I knew I was already ahead of it. Didn't know the area that well. So I parked the car, got the camera on the tripod and set up, and pretty much just waited for it in the wind. I was a little worried that the footage wasn't going to turn out with the wind, so basically what you see is what you get tonight, but I was happy to be able to catch that train for you guys. Again, the Union Pacific OCS special, whatever you want to call it. Took some big wigs into Chicago, departed Ogilvie Transportation Center today at 4 p.m., headed westbound back to Iowa, and yeah, again, I was able to catch that thing for you guys, and happy to do so. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I try to catch all the cool stuff and put out as many videos as possible for you guys. So alright, gonna cut it here, and then until next time, you guys all have a good one.